Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. This is me Smriti and you guys are welcome back to our channel Mistake Art. In today's video, I will be sharing a very easy and aesthetic canvas painting idea. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will apply a coat of gesso on our canvas board. In case you don't have gesso, you can also use white acrylic paint. And the size of the canvas board I'm using here is A5. After the gesso has dried completely, we will draw a circle using a bowl or any other circular object. Now we will fill the circle using crimson red color. Here I am using round brush number 4 for filling the color in our circle. Now draw a tree with black paint using round brush number 2 or 4. Here I am drawing a tree with lots of long branches. You can also change the tree and draw the one you like or prefer. After our painting has dried completely, we will apply varnish to our painting. Now sprinkle some glitter while the varnish is still wet. Mix it using a flat brush and let it dry overnight. And here's the final look, so glittery and shiny. I'm totally in love with the results, how beautiful it has came out. Do let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Also like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you.